The Klein 69355 Multimeter Kit is a comprehensive electrical testing solution that includes a digital multimeter, a non-contact voltage tester, and a GFCI receptacle tester. This kit's digital multimeter is versatile, measuring up to 600 volts AC or DC, 10 amperes DC current, and 2 megaohms resistance, making it suitable for various testing needs. The non-contact voltage tester in this kit can detect a wide range of voltages from 12 to 1000 volts AC, providing flexibility for different applications. An integrated flashlight in the voltage tester ensures visibility in low light conditions, enhancing convenience and safety during testing. The GFCI receptacle tester features a large backlit LCD that clearly indicates wiring conditions, helping to identify open neutral and open ground faults efficiently. All necessary batteries are included in the package, and the multimeter is safety rated to CATIII 600 volts, demonstrating Klein Tools' commitment to reliability and safety.